What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S9. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the magnification on and off on the S9. So if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share this information with anybody needing this help. So the first thing we're going to want to do is start off by going to settings, and the way I do that is by just sliding down from the top of the screen and going to the settings button, which is the little gear button there. So once you are here, this is what it should look like. And when you're here, go ahead and scroll down until you find accessibility. From accessibility, we will be going into vision. From vision, we will scroll down till we see magnification, and we can turn it on or off. There's a magnifier window. All that does is just has a window that you constantly have up, and you can move it around. You can set it in whatever place you want, move it around. That's not what I'm looking for currently. What I'm talking about is magnification. So we can go ahead and turn on the triple tap screen to magnify. We'll go ahead and select that. And there it says, you want to turn it on. It's going to ask you to turn off some of the other features that might be running in order to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it real quick. So 1, 2, 3, triple tap, and it magnifies on the window. So no matter where you're at, what you're on, it will magnify. You need to use 2 fingers to move it around. If you triple tap again, it zooms right back out and it turns that magnification option off. So it works just about anywhere if you're online, on web browser, in games, anything like that. You can also magnify even more if you need to. So that's just kind of a little brief demonstration on that. So and once you have it on, like I mentioned, just triple tap and it kind of zooms out, takes you back to home. If you want to turn it off completely, same way, we're going to go into settings. From settings, scroll down till you find accessibility, from accessibility to vision. And from here, we're going to scroll down till we see the magnification. And from up here, we will just go ahead and turn that off. So just like that, that is how you turn the magnification on and off on a Samsung Galaxy S9. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any other if you guys like to see any other helpful tips and tricks on the S9, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.